This is part of my Remodel series, and in this one, we're getting into construction drawings using Coohom. This is the phase where things get real. Once a design is approved, the next thing I do is prepare the CADs, because without them, nothing moves forward. A render might look great, but if there's no drawing to back it, the execution will fall apart. Most people rush this part, but I've learned it's where you either save time or lose weeks later on site. You want your vendors to have clear, scaled plans, not rough measurements or guesswork. For me, a drawing isn't just a technical step, it's proof that the design is actually thought through, every inch accounted for. And from a client's perspective, a proper CAD file builds trust. It shows you're serious. No one's paying for ideas unless they see that it can actually be built. Now, the reason I use Coohom is because it lets me go from 3D model to construction drawings without jumping between software. You get renders, material plans, elevations, and CADs all in one place. If you're just starting out or building a system for your projects, it's hands down the most efficient tool I've used. Also, if you're new to Coohom, you can get 75% off on your subscription using my code. The link's in the description. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I generate clean, build-ready drawings straight from my design in Coohom. Let's break it down and prep this build right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.